No one is safe in America from ICE, not even American citizens. An American man almost get deported to Jamaica after wrongly being identified by ICE as Jamaican. According to a federal lawsuit filed against the Monroe County Sheriff Rick Ramsay, this American citizen, Peter Sean Brown, was unlawfully detained at the request of Immigration and Custom Enforcement, ICE. Despite Brown's repeated assertions of his citizenship, authorities ignored his pleas, holding him in jail under threat of deportation to Jamaica, a country with he has no connection. According to Brown, he suffered severe emotional distress during his wrongful detention. His near deportation was only halted after a friend urgently sent a copy of his US birth certificate to ICE. The case, Brown versus Ramsay, is being heard in the US District Court for the Southern District of Florida.